Welcome to Ballot Bites. Today's topic is uploading your voter list. There are two ways to upload your voters. From the dashboard, click Upload Voters here, or from the left navigation menu, navigate to Voters, and on the far right, you'll see also Upload Voters. You'll choose your file and upload that file. A status bar and helpful instructions are located at the top. First, you'll confirm which fields and columns you'd like to include. It will default your header row. Member ID is not required. However, if you choose to upload member IDs, each member ID must be unique and every record must contain a value. No blank member ID fields. You can ignore data, columns, or rows that are not needed. It will gray out that information. The data you see here is only a preview of your first 10 records. Once the upload is fully completed, you will be able to view all members within SnapBallot and can review or edit them from the voters page throughout the voting period. Now you'll click Continue to Column Configuration. It will show that the upload was successful. You can X that out. Now, you'll map each column to the appropriate data type. Your progress is noted at the top, and again, some helpful tips. Member ID looks good. First name is mapped correctly. Last name, we're going to change that so it matches. We've got email. For region, we're going to change this one to group or type. Group or type can be used for filtering later. Other fields can also be used as filters. For example, a region filter makes sure only the people who live in a certain area get to vote for the leaders of that area. So if there's an election for a West Region director, only members who live in the West Region will see that race on their ballot. Filters can vary by your organization's voting requirements, and you can have multiple filters for items on your ballot. So here in status, we're also going to map that one to group or type. State is mapped correctly. Vote weight is also mapped correctly. And for phone number, we're going to go ahead and select Other. If at any time you need to start over, you can click Delete and start over here. However, if everything looks good, click Save Column Mappings, and then Create Voters. The green bar will show voters created, and again, you can click that out. The upload summary will show how many rows of data, how many columns you uploaded, and if there are any issues with your database. To correct errors, simply click the voters page here. It will show that we have 2 issues here, so we're going to show issues. You can see Taylor needs an email correction. So we're going to edit that. And Jordan Johnson has no email. Adding an email address ensures they will receive the email invitation to vote. So we'll want to add this and then click Save. Once your voters are loaded, total voter count is shown here on the left. The list of voters will show 10 names at a time by default. You can view voters with the menu bar in the center by clicking Next. You can also easily change how many voters you see at a time with this drop down here. Additionally, you can also search voters by name in the search bar. If you realize you have a member you may have missed, you can easily create voters one at a time. Just go here to Create New Voter, populate that information, making sure to include that required member ID, and then click Create. You can also add or edit voters from the dashboard here anytime throughout the voting period. Now your voters are all set. Thanks for watching. Grab another bite in our series of helpful tips at any time.